In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check product materials and specifications before you buy. When you're shopping online, it's easy to focus only on the photos or the overall design. But if you really want to make a smart purchase, it's important to look a little deeper. Details like fabric type, wood material, metal finish, and care instructions can tell you a lot about the quality of the item and whether it's actually right for your home or lifestyle. Start by opening the product page for the item you're interested in. Once you're there, take a moment to look over the page layout. Most online stores place the key material information lower down on the page, so you usually won't find everything you need right at the top near the images and price. Next, scroll down until you find the specifications or materials section. Depending on the website, this area may also be labeled as product details, description, or something similar. This section is where the store typically lists the core information about what the product is made from. Once you find it, look carefully at the materials listed. If it's a fabric item, check what kind of fabric is used. If it's furniture, see whether the wood is solid wood, engineered wood, or another type. If the product includes metal, check what kind of metal or finish is mentioned. These details matter because they can affect durability, appearance, weight, texture, and overall maintenance. While you're there, also check the care instructions. This part is especially helpful because it tells you how easy the item will be to maintain over time. For example, some materials may only need light dusting, while others may require special cleaning or extra care to avoid damage. Knowing this in advance can help you avoid surprises after the item arrives. After reviewing the materials and care information, take a moment to confirm whether the product fits your needs. Think about how and where you'll use it, how much wear and tear it may get, and whether the materials match your expectations for comfort, durability, or style. If any important details are missing or unclear, the last step is to contact customer support. Ask for the exact material or care information you need before placing the order. That extra step can save you time, money, and frustration later. That's how to quickly and confidently check product materials and specifications before buying online.